Tasks in store were a time thief for our colleagues, so we're looking for opportunities to try and improve that and make it more efficient in stores. Volumatic are existing partners of ours who had a great proactive approach towards our business case and helping us with our solutions. The CounterCache, to support colleagues in store to improve our procedures and ensure a secure environment. The CountEasy cable, to improve our cash handling procedures, to make it more accurate and to ensure better efficiencies in store. Till cups, they help our colleagues to achieve faster till counts with less handling of the coins. In summary, these solutions have supported us to ensure it's easier for our colleagues, better for the customers, best for the business.
The CountEasy Connect cable is great in this store. There's a lot less discrepancies and a lot more accuracy.
The till cups are proving very popular in store as the till counts are that much quicker and we don't even have to touch the coins. The CounterCache improves our security by reducing the amount of cash in our tills, therefore minimising the risk of theft.
Any issues which did occur were dealt with in a quick and professional manner to minimise any disruption.
The introduction of CounterCache eliminates the need for cash pickups, meaning we can focus more on our customer service.
It has supported us to remove tasks from our stores, save time and improve our procedures. The training videos from Volumatic really helped to introduce the solutions to our colleagues. These are some of the reasons why we recommend Volumatic. Number 1, method of delivery into our warehouse was first class. Number 2, their proactive approach helped us identify solutions. And number 3, quality of the product.